to set up your baby tortoises, I like to set them up in something like this, a tank. It could be something like a plastic tote. The most important thing isn't really what you keep them inside of, it's how you keep the environment inside of whatever enclosure you use. The important thing is a substrate like this. This is cypress mulch. It contains some humidity and it doesn't stick to their food. So I could just throw pieces of leaves and cactus, flowers, anything that they like to eat directly on top of it without creating a mess. Like if it was dirt or sand where it would get all muddy and nasty. So that's one tip I recommend. Always use cypress mulch or a clean substrate like this one. You need to provide a hide somewhere for them to get under and feel comfortable. They also like to burrow and hide under the substrate. So make sure you create a deep layer just like this so that they can get into it. The other important thing when you're setting up your tortoises enclosure, probably one of the most important things, is the basking area. Here it's supposed to be 95 degrees Fahrenheit and it's supposed to be a UVB bulb and a heat bulb. You're gonna need two different bulbs so you could get the two things that the sun provides, the heat and the vitamins. Other than that, you need some way for your tortoise to get hydrated. When I only have a few tortoises in an enclosure, I always provide a water bowl just like this to keep fresh, clean water. But when you have this many babies, or you just don't want to be constantly changing a water bowl, what you could do is spray them down with water. So this is going to be keeping it much cleaner because tortoises like to pee and poop when they drink water. So this way it's going to always keep them clean and well hydrated. And the nice benefit about this is it also wakes them up and it tells them that it's dinner time. And that brings me to the last thing you need when you're setting up a baby tortoise or any tortoise, your humidity. Obviously, these things vary throughout species. It's almost a universal thing for tortoises to have a 95-degree hotspot and about 70 to 80% humidity, especially as babies. But depending on your species, make sure you get the details locked in because, for example, redfoot tortoise is extremely tropical, while the sulcata tortoises or leopard tortoises are more of a desert species.